Hey guys, my name is Jason, this is Carberra. Welcome to the series where I teach you how to build a Discord music bot for your server. Yes, the most requested thing Carberra has ever seen is finally here. It was so heavily requested that I actually jumped the series that was originally going to be done after the main Discord.py series finished, which probably says something about how much people actually wanted this. This is an extension to the main series in a way. We're going to be building a brand new bot with clean code to make it easier to follow. However, I'm not going to be covering quite as much as I did in the previous series because obviously I've already talked about it. So more of the basic stuff like how cogs work, how to send messages, how to create the bot on the developer portal, I'm not going to be covering this series. I'll just redirect you to the main series for stuff like that because I don't really want to repeat myself. But yeah, while this is a series in its own right, it is more an extension to the main series than a standalone thing on its own. Anyone that's been around on the channel for a few weeks will know that I have actually done some streams on Discord.py music bots already. These streams were planning the code that I was going to be using in the series. It was actually me learning how to use Lava Link and Wave Link, which is what we're going to be using to build the bot. So it gave me some practice to actually be able to teach you guys how to do it. The stream VODs will remain on the channel forever, so if you do want to watch those you can. However, I would recommend actually learning the series, you use the videos themselves rather than the streams. One, because the code is better, and two, because everything is going to be structured a bit better. So while the streams are there, the videos are probably your better port of call, unless you kind of want to see me struggle with how to use Lava Link. As for a schedule, it's going to be using the same one as the main Discord.py series did. So there'll be 3 uploads a week: Monday, Wednesday, Friday, 11 AM UTC. Of course, the UK does have daylight savings time that is currently active right now. So videos just go 12 PM my time, so 11 AM UTC. While that side of the schedule is going to be remaining consistent, the way the Patreon early access is going to work is quite different from the main series. So in the main series, I edited a video, rendered it, uploaded it to the cloud, and just said, hey, these are available, go and watch them. That is no longer going to be the case. I want to do something more consistent, something more reliable. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make the videos available to tier 4 and above patrons on Patreon early access, 1 slot, quote unquote, ahead of YouTube. When episode 1 goes live on YouTube, episode 2 will go live on Patreon early access. When episode 2 goes live on YouTube, episode 3 will go live for patrons. When episode 3 goes live on YouTube, episode 4 will go live for patrons, and that will keep going until the end of the series, which I don't foresee being too long. I don't actually know how many episodes it's going to be yet, but I don't see it getting into double figures. If it does get into double figures, I will be quite surprised, but I'm not going to make it too long or too short just for the sake of fitting it to a certain length. I will structure it properly. If it does end up being 25 episodes long, it ends up being 25 episodes long, but I really can't see a reason why it would be. So yeah, that's about all I have to say about the new series. The true first part of the series, where we talk about pip installs and how to run Lava Link and stuff, will be going live in the next few days. So if you do want to be notified of those, then make sure you hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you get a little notification on your phone or whatever to tell you that the new videos are uploaded. Or if you want them a bit earlier, then feel free to join my Patreon. The link is in the description below, as are a lot of other links you can find for me, and you can get them just a few days earlier than everyone else if you're just that little bit more eager. But yeah, that's all I have to say about the series. I hope you enjoy it. I hope it's educational. And yeah, I'll see you in a few days for the first video.